Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I went to Daiso this week. Whenever I'm in California, I go to Daiso. So that is the one stop that I always go to. So let me go ahead and show you some of the things. First of all, I got this great basket. This is my favorite things storage. I think that is super cute. And then I have some of the stuff that I bought. And you have to pay for bags. I know, I complain every time I go to California. So I buy a little bag that I like every time. But I also got the 3-ring binder. I got that because, you know, I do my planners. And I think just the 3-ring is going to be better for me. So I grabbed that. And there's one of these. It's like a mini shoe rack, but it's not a shoe rack at all. But it'll hang on my cart. You know those Raskogs that you get from IKEA or Michael's. Anyways, I thought I would take 2 of the little hooks like this, and then that'll hold that onto the cart. And I think that would give me a little bit more storage. As you can see, I need some storage room. I'm going to be working on getting the office and the studio all organized. Speaking of organized, I also picked up a couple of these. They are organizers for like remote controls and stuff, but I think that they would work perfect for craft supplies. So I picked up 2 of them. I actually picked up 3 of them, and then I decorated, and I didn't decorate, I organized my dad's controls, because everybody has controls for everything now. You've got the Kindle, you've got the Apple TV, you've got, or the Fire Stick, you know, you've got your TV remote, you've got your cable remote, you've got your game system remote, your fan remote. There's so many, and these are really cool. And for $1.50, I think that is a great deal. And I think you guys, oh, they stack. I didn't even know that. I wonder if you stack them opposite, they'd kind of be flat a little bit, but that's all right. I did not know that they stacked. That was pretty cool. Okay, this is fun. This is one of those arrows. You know, those little arrows that go, it looks like it's through your head. I thought the grandsons would get a kick out of that. Okay, these are just chair socks. So you put them on your chair so that they don't scratch your floor. Great idea, right? But you need 1 per chair because 4 legs. But I only got 1 because my dog also has 4 skinny legs. He's gonna hate me, but I thought we'll see what happens. I also picked up some of these sticker flakes. I don't know what they are. They're 10 designs, 4 pieces of each, and I don't know if they're actual stickers or if they're just kind of pieces. So I thought we would find out together. Oh, let me show you my sad, because I was going to just throw this in my desk wastebasket. So I picked this guy up, and it had this little guy. You see, that holds it. See this one? I broke it. I dropped it coming home, trying to put everything in one thing, and now it just sits there. But that's okay. I'm going to just take it off. You put a trash bag in there, and then this holds it in place, and then you've got your little trash can on your desk for like all the little pieces of paper. You know, if you're a paper crafter, you know you always end up with these little guys. Then you just stick it in there. So let's see, I'm going to open these up and see if they're stickers or if they're just, because it says sticker flakes. So I don't know what that means. Oh, they are stickers, I think. They're so teeny tiny and thin. So I'm just trying to open it and see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So they come off and they're just real thin little stickers. That'll be fun. This will go good if you do pocket letters or anything like that. If you don't know what pocket letters are, I have a whole entire playlist on it. I don't know. I love ginger. So these are little ginger pieces. So I grabbed one of those. I grabbed my favorite pen, which is the Frixion pen. I grabbed blue. And I grabbed the green. I already have the black, the red, the purple. I have this color blue, which I almost bought again, but I couldn't remember what blue I had. But you see, these are little erasers. So, grabbed a couple of those. We were traveling, and there was a little toothbrush in here. My grandson, 4 years old, forgot his toothbrush. So this was pretty cool for $1.50. And you push a little button, and the light kind of blinks. That's why it's called a firefly. And it blinks, and as long as it's blinking, he's supposed to be brushing his teeth. So I thought that was cool. These are little Tokyo noodles. They're instant noodles, kind of like ramen. But you guys, they're so good just to have like crushed up and on a salad or something. They're nice and crispy until you put them in water. But so they're good crispy, and they're good in the noodles. This is a baked wheat cake. It's a Japanese cake. It has like this alcohol thing in there. So you need to take the alcohol out and just kind of let it air dry. I was always weary of these. I thought they were like, but then my cousin and my nephew, or my godson, shall I say, had me try them, and they're so good. They're kind of like King's Hawaiian rolls, if you've ever had those. And then, oh, this is just for fun. This was not at Daiso. This was from Trader Joe's. But this is a little hot cocoa stirring spoon. I wanted to use that in one of my decors that I do with Stampin' Up, as you know. If you don't know and you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. There's lots of fun things going on here. But this is double chocolate hot cocoa stirring spoon with mini marshmallows. So you get your milk or water or whatever you'd like all hot and nice, and then you just stir it around like you were stirring hot chocolate, and it melts and turns it into hot chocolate, releases the marshmallows, and I just think it'd be fun. But more than that, it would make a cool little gift, like maybe stuck in one of these, like as a little treat. So, wouldn't that be cute? Wouldn't you like to receive something like that? I would. So, that was made at one of our last classes. If you like to do paper crafting, definitely check out my channel. Alright, beauties, I love this little guy. It's so cute. It will hold some of my favorite things, which will probably be class items. But if you like that, please give me a big thumbs up. I know if you are like me, you love Daiso. And if you are like me, you don't have one right next door. So, alright, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!